Welcome back guys, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you some real-time problem of Redmi and Poco mobiles. In that mobile, what is happening, I have received complaint from many of the users that this automatic volume key is working automatically without touching it. So there may be a software glitch or there may be a hardware issue. If there is a software glitch, it is very easy to fix it. So before proceeding further, I would like to request you, please subscribe this channel, please share with your friends if you find it useful. So now, not wasting much of your time, I will straight go to the settings, then apps, then manage apps, then system launcher. In Poco mobile, this is Poco launcher, and here clear data option is coming. We will do clear cache. Now okay, now we will go back and we'll see that most of the users have found that this single trick has worked in their mobile and the problem got solved. In case in your mobile this problem is not getting solved, then again go to the setting, go to the apps, then manage apps, then system launcher, then actually here in your mobile uninstall updates will come. In that case you have to just uninstall that updates. Don't worry, after uninstalling that updates you have to just clear data. Don't worry about the data, nothing will go. After that, what you need to do, just go outside and just see this. Now in my opinion this will work. If it is not working, it is not coming down and going up properly by the volume key, what you need to do, just press and hold volume key for 15 to 20 odd seconds, and then press down key for 15 to 20 odd seconds. If there is any issue with key and if it is malfunctioning, there might be a chance that this action can solve that. So if it is not working at all, then what you need to do, just plug your 3.5 mm audio socket in that and then just rotate it, try to clean it. Most of the users have told that find that the problem got solved after these 3-4 steps. If after doing all these things your problem is still there, then what you need to do, you just go to the shopkeeper and you have to spend few bucks. If you find this video useful, please like, please subscribe, and please share with your friends on social media. That's all about today's tutorial. Thank you very much friends.